Hi. Well, we are camping again. Just for a couple nights. We're up in the forest. My little camping buddy. Yeah, she loves camping. Say hi, Daisy. We got some dunkers again. This time we got raspberry. Yum. Well, we're back here again at this campground at the same campsite. And I guess this just has become my new kind of favorite place to go. Well, it's a little windy out tonight, but I think I'm going to try to have like a real small fire. I'll just keep it small because it is kind of windy out. But yeah, tomorrow night it's supposed to rain, so I'm not sure that I'll be able to have a fire tomorrow night. So I guess we'll have one tonight. We'll see what tomorrow brings. But right now there's showers and thunderstorms coming in about 4 in the afternoon until like 10 at night. So. Well, I guess I'm going to have a cup of hot cocoa tonight. I've got this raspberry flavored cocoa. I'll give that a try. And then, yeah, I put some of that on there. I've never had that before neither, but we'll give it a try. Sounds good to sit around the fire tonight and have a cup of hot cocoa. Well, it's a really nice night out tonight, so I'm gonna make a fire, waiting for my hot cocoa to heat up in the water for it in the kettle. Well, it's around 8 o'clock, not quite dark yet, but fire, I let it go out, and I got all my lights around the perimeter. But yeah, I'm gonna go in and watch a movie. I guess I'm fired out tonight. It's gonna be dark in like, I don't know, probably half an hour by 8:30. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch a movie. River is not too far from where I'm camping. Yeah, it's a nice day. Cloudy, but it's about 65 degrees. River is peaceful today. Yeah, the fire I started earlier today, it's still smoking, and it's raining out. Yeah, it's been raining for, oh, maybe like 45 minutes or so. I think it's supposed to like lightly rain for the rest of the night, so I brought my chair in and I'm inside the van. So I'll be in here tonight and watch some movies. And then I'll head out tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you would, please. Thank you. And I will see you in the next video. Rock on.